Module 7, Lesson 11's objective is to use different strategies to make $1 or make change from $1. Item 1 says, count up using the arrow way to complete each number sentence. Then, use coins to check your answer, if possible. I'll go ahead and underline those important details. Count up using the arrow way. Complete each number sentence. Use coins to check your answers. Item A says 25 cents plus blank equals 100 cents. If we use the arrow way to count up, we should be able to figure out this answer. You can see they started it for you. They wrote 25 here. They added 5 to that. That gets me to the next 10, or 30. And in order to get from 30 to 100, I know that I need to add 70 cents. Because 3 tens plus 7 tens is 10 tens, or 100. Now, all I have to do is take this 70 and add it to that 5. 70 plus 5 is 75 cents. And that's the answer. Now let's do item B. It says 45 cents plus blank equals 100 cents. We'll do just as we did in item A. We'll start with 45. We'll count up to the next 10 by adding 5. 45 and 5 more is 50. Now that I'm at 50, I need to add a certain amount to get to 100. And I know that 50 plus 50 equals 100. Now I just add these together. This 50 plus 5 is 55. So 45 cents plus 55 cents equals 100 cents. Let's look at item C. Item C says 62 cents plus blank equals 100 cents. I'll write down 62 cents, or I'll just write 62. Now if I have 2 ones, how many more ones do I need to get to the next 10? That's 8. So I need 8 more ones. That brings me to 70. And now that I'm at 70, I need to add a certain amount to get to 100. 70 plus is the same as 7 tens. If I have 7 tens, I need 3 more tens to get to 10 tens, or 100. And 3 tens is 30. I take that 30 plus 8, and I get 38. So 62 cents plus 38 cents equals 100 cents. Item D, blank plus 79 cents equals 100 cents. This time they're trying to trick you by putting the blank at the beginning, but you can solve this in the same way. Start with 79, use the arrow way to get to the next 10, and then use the arrow way to get up to 100. I'll leave the rest of item D for you to solve. Item 2. It says solve using the arrow way and a number bond. Using the arrow way and a number bond. We know how to do the arrow way because that's what we were doing above, but I'll go ahead and do item A with you. I'll write 19 down, and I'll add 1 more to get to the nearest 10. That's 20. 20 is the same thing as 2 tens. If I have 2 tens, how many more tens do I need to get to 100? Or 10 tens. If I have 2 tens and I need to get to 10 tens, so I need 8 more 10s, or 80. Then I have this 80 plus this 1 is 81. Now the number bond shows that $1 or 100 cents is the total, and the two parts are 19 cents and 81 cents. Number bonds are part plus part equals whole. Let's do item B. 77 cents plus blank equals 100 cents. I'll start with 77. I have 7 ones. I need 3 more to get to the next 10. And that would bring me to 80. 80 is the same as 8 10s. How many more 10s do I need to get to 10 10s or 100? Well, if I have 8 10s, I only need 2 more 10s, and that's 20. 20 plus 3 is 23. Now let's go ahead and make a number bond. I'll make it sideways since it will be easier to fit in the space. This is going to be the $1 or 100 cents. This part here will be 77 cents. And this part here will be 23 cents. Part plus part equals whole. Now let's look at item C. This time they started with the 100 cents, which is the same thing as $1. So I could make my number bond to begin with. I could put the 100 cents or $1 here, and the part here is 53 cents. The other part is what we need to figure out. So we'll start with the 53 and use the arrow way to count up to 100. The rest is up to you. Don't forget to fill in the blank on problem C and finish the number bond. Good luck.